Shine UK. But there is no way. Okay, guys, congratulations today. I just want to congratulate everyone who made it, and I want to show you something from my group. I don't like to talk like, I always want to make proof, because I don't want my people to be like, coach is just talking. When I say, I'm not saying yes I'm perfect, but I know what I'm doing on UK49, and trust me, I want to show you my ticket, the one that I hit now. I hit 3 numbers plus bonus. There is the ticket. It's 110,000, and I just put 4 rand because I was not sure. If I was sure, I was going to put 100 rand and make it 1 million. This is the ticket for tonight. Don't worry, guys. As I'm always saying, that you guys must purchase the book. My people, they know the secret of UK49 now. They won't change it, and it doesn't change. It's always there. Did you see my code? I gave you the code, and I made sure that I explained to you that, guys, this is your money. The code was 7482, which was 28, 7, 48, and 18. That was 4 plus bonus, but I had to put the 6, the 9. Remember, I said there was a remainder during the tea time, the one that was supposed to play, and then it played now in tea. So I was just supposed to hit like 5 numbers, but I just hit 3 plus bonus. So guys, I'm just even saying by now, please get yourself the copy of the book. There's a secret of UK49 there. They will never change it. And in Mega Million, they will never change it. It's only 2 draws, Mega Million and UK49. So guys, this is what it is. I know I don't have subscribers, I don't have more views or comments, but my work will speak for me, and I'm so happy. I just want my people who are in my group, before June, everyone must hit. They are going to hit by fire, by force, and I'm fighting with UK49. Just that Christy is the toughest person in UK, but if it was Tony on lunch, trust me, everyone could be, have got 4 numbers and stuff. I'm not exaggerating. You can even go back to my video and check my code. I posted my code on time. I posted the numbers on time. Straight 3 plus bonus I gave you guys. I even told you 28 is coming back, and then that's what it is. So guys, I just wanted to give a shout out and say thank you to those who support. I know some of you might not be happy and say like, coach, why didn't you share this 3 plus bonus? But I did share it. I did share it. Go back to my video and check if I didn't share this 3 plus bonus, because I want everyone to have something in hand. Unless UK49 they disqualify me, then in that way, because if you check, there's a 40 also there, a 4. Guys, I wanted to keep, like there was 7, 9, 18, only 39 didn't come, and I was sure of these results, that these numbers are gonna come this way. So my advice is, please listen very well and carefully. Get yourself the copy of a book, because that book, it will end up being 1,000 rand or 2,000 rand, because there's a secret of UK49 and Mega Million. So get it now while it's still hot. Thank you very much. Good night, guys.